In this video, we will explore top design styles for software platform feature videos.
Security is a big one. When unprecedented business disruption hit, there was a mad dash to enable employees to work from home. But now that this short-term fix is becoming a more permanent remote arrangement, you might be uncovering security gaps in the haste to get there. So how do you...
Will your onboarding experience help you beat the odds, or will you become a statistic? Are you still worrying about retention? Are your new joiners giving rave reviews of your onboarding? Or are they struggling to figure out your culture and business? Imagine if you could skip all the hassles and fast forward.
At InTouch Insight, we know that leaders rely on consumer insights to help them make smart business decisions. So, since 1992, we've made it our mission to put the right information in the hands of our customers when they need it most. But a lot has changed over the past 25 years, like the way we gather data
and supervising care, one click at a time. How can we enable the technology at our fingertips to save us time? With AlayaCare, you have built-in, ready-to-go tools that open up avenues to efficiencies. Use your preferred Forms tool apps to automatically add clients
and provides insight on things beyond your current view. Connect Explorer from EagleView is a powerful web-based tool for viewing and analyzing distinctive pictometry imagery, including angle oblique, straight down ortho, and orthomosaic imagery on a single platform. Connect Explorer is
crowned when loyalty is earned, and how you communicate makes all the difference. Bandwidth is a communications cloud that simplifies how you deliver integrated global experiences. It's flexible and robust, ready to connect across your entire communications stack.
Manage his bills, he wants to be paid after each job, regardless of the time or day of the week. And this is Maria. She runs an online fashion business. To pay her suppliers on time, she needs fast access to her earnings. In today's fast-paced digital economy, many of your clients like
water early. Water in the morning, so your plant's leaves will have plenty of time to dry. Disease loves wet foliage. Miracle tip number 2. Test the soil. Stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. Containers will need to be watered more often than in-ground gardens.
For employees. But while there are plenty of benefits, there's also a flip side. Inefficient management of your growing app landscape wastes time, effort, and budget, effectively offsetting many of the benefits of SaaS. So, how can IT teams maximize SaaS benefits without wasting time and effort? Better Cloud Manage helps companies reduce costs.
Organizations aren't alone in the race to define and defend their entire attack surface, as unknown or unprioritized IT can be a gateway to the rest of the network. If the best defense is a good offense, you're going to need a longer bench. BugCrowd's attack surface management matches the scale and effort of attackers with the
reduce complexity and streamline all operations. The answer and solution is Trimit. Trimit is ERP designed for the furniture industry, tailored to power up your people and free you up to focus on core business. Trimit extends the solid foundations of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central to handle product configuration.
How your customers behave is key to building a product they'll love. Hotjar is a great tool to do just that. But if you've got a lot of heat maps, recordings, or feedback, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's where filters come in. Hotjar's data filters allow you to sort your heat maps.
And some you can't. So how do you find out what people really think of your brand? Or better yet, do they even know you exist? Whether you're trying to build awareness or evolve your brand's perception, you need relevant brand insights to drive your business forward. SurveyMonkey
and they want it. So why bother with mass-targeted campaigns that are hit or miss at best if most of them find it irrelevant? Isn't there a better way to approach this? We have just the thing, the Capillary Campaign Manager. Say your women's apparel brand just launched a new winter collection. As a marketing manager,
great data wherever it resides, whether that's on-premise, in the cloud, or both. You design once, deploy anywhere. Today, storing and processing data in the cloud provides a fast, efficient way to increase the scalability, availability, and reliability of your data, enabling you to take on pressing challenges from
a game of cat and mouse that no one likes to play, and really just a box-checking exercise for learners, which is a big, big problem. Because not only does that give you a bad rap, but it leads to non-compliant behavior, which leads to accidents, injuries, loss of productivity, data mismanagement, fines, and more fines.
While mitigating risk in rapidly changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you
on the cutting edge of broadcasting while keeping your viewers hooked. Want to be known for the quality of your service while building exciting new revenue streams? The solution is simple. ATSC 3.0 from ATEM. As innovative technology leaders, we take a sustainable approach.
I guess we've all been there. Manually creating 33 individual 217-page agenda packets with all these perfectly colored tabs and finishing a day early. But then you receive an email notification and a missing file and a sticky note and 32 texts. And the wrong document got uploaded, and your department head just got hacked, and now you need
administrative processes that are the backbone of healthcare operations. But they are inefficient, error-prone, and strain the capacity of your staff. The necessity of these tasks won't change, but the way you complete them can. With Olive. Olive's AI workforce makes healthcare more efficient.
Racing towards the future, you'll need all of your IT teams working together as efficiently as possible. That's why we're introducing Jira Service Management, the first end-to-end ITSM solution built entirely on the Jira platform. It helps visualize and accelerate the flow of work between support, developers, and operations teams.
Let's say you developed your app quickly using MongoDB and it's on the fast track to success. It's picking up so much steam, you're actually running into some serious scale issues in production. You don't want to drastically change much, but you need a way to scale without any major issues. You also need to meet enterprise deployment requirements that weren't.
It means a bit of analysis, a bit of guesswork, and a lot of stakeholder alignment. Here's where Hotjar comes in. Instead of guessing what motivates your users' behavior, you can now see which bits of your site they love, where they click, tap, move.
It's a possibility. Since there wasn't a central data center to help creative agency owners understand their business's inner workings, we made one. Say hello to Function Point. Our single workflow platform has everything you need to run your agency. Business reports
should be delivered faster, with lower costs, and failures being dissolved in no time. Comarch, a professional vendor of IT systems, has provided you with a ton of useful components that made your company evolve significantly. However, as an innovator, you want to know how to make processes faster